Hey, so maybe you have a vacuum sealer, whatever brand it is, and it vacuums. You can hit vacuum and you can hear it running, but it never goes to seal. Well, I found the problem why mine was never going to seal and always timed out. First, make sure it's unplugged. The two things you're going to need, at least for me, was Scotch tape and a Phillips screwdriver. It's one of the smaller heads, not the big one, because the screws are kind of small. I've already taken the screws out. There were two screws hidden behind these 2 feet here. There weren't any behind these, but there was other screws here and here. So I'll take the cover off. And underneath here, where I found the leak, I checked everything. I checked all the hoses, and where I found it was right here. This little guy right here. It's a little piece of foam. And this is the opening mechanism. And when the lid is open, this will be pushed back a little bit so it won't be making that seal. What I did was I took a little piece of Scotch tape and I put it in there, and that's working great. So that was my fix, and then I just put everything back together in reverse order, and it works great. It works fine. Hey, I want you to know something. Question for you. Do you know how you get into heaven? And I ask you that because I want to see you there. The way you can get to heaven is not because you're good, not because you do good enough things or that you even deserve it, but it's because of what Jesus did for you by dying and rising again on the cross. John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him will not die but have eternal life." So that's your ticket. And if you believe that, that's fantastic. I'll see you in heaven, and I look forward to it. Take care. Bye.